Vincent.
And we taught a competitors workshop today at BTO in 2023. So what we first talked about was our base and having a point A and a point B of a leg, and head weight goes back and forth between that, and we pick a side. So what we did at first was just picking a side and going over 8 counts and using the floor to push to get to the other side, and same thing on the way back. And then we did 4 counts, and then 2, and then 1, right? So we really played with that, but not being split weight, picking a side. And then we started applying it.
Yes, and then the next step, we started doing a 32 count beat. So we did 4 side passes. 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 6, 4. Then we finished off with this movement here. Yes?
Yes.
So talking about this last part here, we're all just talking about ending on phrase change. So this last move, trigger push, to a rock and go, yes, and into an inside roll.
And followers are ending here. We could end right here, but we decided to peel open towards the audience, and we open, and this is the drill from earlier with our base here.
Yes. In class, we talked about that rock and go, just making sure that when I am doing this rock and go, I'm making sure that I place, or making sure that Nicole has enough room and weight onto her left leg. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we don't want to cut that off.
And we bring this back through the left leg, go for the turn.
Yep. For extra points too, if we had enough of that rock and go energy going down the slot, we can do 2 turns. Perfect.
Awesome.
Yes.
Last thing we did was a line dance to talk about phrasing and trying it to different music. So all you do for the line dance is make sure everything's in 8s, right? And we started just with pulses down with our knees. So, and we're picking a side as we're doing it. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go backwards for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow walk forward for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay. And repeat. And that was our phrasing workshop. Thank you.
Thank you.
The social focused event from A to Z, Ottawa, Canada.